Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the brake light switch for this here 90 Accord. It's going to cover a ton of years. So brake light switch on Accord. Why am I doing this? Battery keeps dying because the brake lights will stay on. They're off right now because the battery is dead. I was driving home the other day and a bunch of people were honking at me and I was like, what the hell is going on? Everyone, brake lights are on all the time. Didn't figure that out until the next day. I got home, parked the car, came out, battery was dead, jumped it, drove to work, battery was dead when I got done with work 8 hours later. I was like, what the hell is going on? Jumped it, got it home, realized it was a little bit sluggish and still people honking at me because I'm riding on the brake the whole time. It took me a day to figure out that my lights were staying on. It wasn't a drain somewhere else. So I had to replace the brake light switch in this situation. And here we go. Like, subscribe, and share. Alright, this is what we're taking off right here. This is the brake light switch. Tools that we're using. Basic flathead screwdriver to get the wire connection off. Crescent wrench. Easy stuff that we all have. Remember, the brake lights are stuck on this one. This is a 1990 Honda Accord. So brake light switch, and I do have cruise. So this is the connector for it. If you do not have cruise, it is a different one. Let me set this down. Hopefully I get it all. Alright, it's right there. Alright, we're looking. Hopefully this is gonna be right. This one right here, so we're gonna use the flathead to just depress that right there. Crescent. The crescent right here. I'll just loosen that up. Alright, so it should be just able to twist right out. So that nut is just on there to keep it tight, and you could adjust it in and out. And this one you're just gonna put in there, so you want it so that the what is this called? Pedal will push in the sensor. That's what makes it know that you're off the brake to turn the lights off. Now tighten this up so it doesn't turn. Now we're just using some basic tools. If you have the right opening, obviously use the right opening. But this is just to show you how much of a cake this job is to do. Plug it in. Oops, you know what? I should have made a video of lights being stuck on. Brake lights are stuck on all the time. It won't hold a charge. Kills batteries super fast. Come on. This is the long part. Hopefully it's faster for you. Nope. Jesus.
Oh, there we go. Make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't come out. Got to reconnect the battery. But that's how easy it is to do a brake light switch on this 1990 Honda Accord. Like, subscribe should be up there, share. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe.